Welcome to this tutorial video on how to install SONOFF Matter over Wi-Fi Smart Switch, BASIC-1GSP. Inside the package you will find BASIC-1GSP device, quick guide. Before wiring, please make sure the power is turned off. Install the BASIC-1GSP on a 35mm DIN rail inside the distribution board. Loosen the required screws. Then follow the steps to connect the wires correctly and ensure all screws are tightened securely. Turn the power back on. Open any of the following apps and scan the QR code. You can find the QR code on the side of the device or in the quick guide. Follow the in-app instructions. If the app doesn't detect the device automatically, manually enter pairing mode by long pressing the device button for 5 seconds. The indicator will flash 2 short and 1 long. Continue following the app steps to complete the setup. Now you can remotely control the circuit of BASIC-1GSP via the app.